Hello and welcome to our gardening channel. In this video, we will show you how to create a beautiful balcony garden with easy to grow flowers that will brighten up your small space. You don't need a big garden to enjoy beautiful blooms. With just a few pots, you can create a stunning display of flowers that will bring joy to your life. First, choose the right potting mix of your flowers. Make sure it has the nutrients and drain they need to grow healthy. Next, choose the right flower for balcony. Look for varieties that are easy to grow and thrive in containers like petunias, marigolds, and zinnias. Once you have your flowers, arrange them in your pots, making sure to leave enough space for each plant to grow. Water them regularly and keep them in a sunny spot. With a little love and care, your flowers will grow and bloom, creating a beautiful balcony garden for you to enjoy. A balcony garden is a perfect solution for people who want to enjoy the benefits of gardening but have limited outdoor space. It is a small garden that is created on a balcony or terrace, using pots or containers to grow plants, flowers, or vegetables. A balcony garden can add a touch of greenery to your living space, improve air quality, and provide a relaxing environment for you to unwind in. With the right potting mix, plant selection, and regular care, you can transform your small balcony into a beautiful garden oasis. So, there you have it, easy to grow flowers for your small space garden. We hope this video has inspired you to create a beautiful balcony garden of your own. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.